Hello and welcome to episode 1 of Talks with Werewolf. Yes, my name is Werewolf, hence the name. Anyway, the first episode is going to be about dogs barking. Yes, all dogs bark. It's very common amongst dogs. Now, this is not go to those little yippy dogs that just bark all the time and I could eat for dinner. Yeah, okay, that should not be in the video. Well, anyway, this goes to the dogs that are real dogs, and that's all I need to say. Dogs can't talk. We only have one word in our so-called language. It's the word woof. It's the most common word because it's the only one. So when we do woof, we're just trying to tell you something. Like when I bark and there's someone at your front door, I'm trying to say, humans, there's someone at your front door because I'm trying to protect you. You give me foods. And I have to respect that. I gotta protect the people that give me food. So when I bark and I see a dog across the street, I'm trying to say hi to that dog. I'm trying to say, hi dog, how you doing? But then you humans tell me to shut up. Well, there's nothing else we can say. I can't say hello, how are you? Because dogs don't speak, as I have proved to you. So since dogs don't speak, how are we supposed to communicate? So I just want to make sure that you humans respect us barking and respect that it's our only word that we can ever say, and we don't want that word taken away from us. It is the word that decides our fate, basically. So please, humans, respect our barking. And yes, that was about a dog barking because they're trying to say something to humans. So yes, please. Respect our barking, and thank you for watching.